The Philips Hue Smart Motion Sensor combines convenience and energy efficiency. Have your lights turn on when you walk into a room, and off when you leave. The smart sensor detects optimum daylight levels to conserve energy during the day. During the night, the Philips Hue Motion Sensor will switch to Smart Night Light settings, a gentle, warm light setting to help you navigate during the night without disturbing your rest. The Philips Hue Motion Sensor can be placed freely for an optimal detection area, or mounted to a wall using screws included. The device is battery-powered, wireless and installation-free, no rewiring required, to control your lights without hassle. Place anywhere in your home including your hallway, bathroom, kitchen, and more. The integrated light sensor saves energy by detecting when rooms are vacant and automatically turning off lights. Installed in a minute. Simply follow the instructions in the Philips Hue app. Our smart lights default settings get you going, or personalize these settings to fit your needs. The Philips Hue Motion Sensor requires a Philips Hue bridge to make it part of your smart home lighting system. The Philips Hue system can control up to 50 smart lights. When you use the Philips Hue Motion Sensor with a Philips Hue bridge, you can use it to control any HomeKit-compatible appliance. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely love Philips Hue products, and I wish there were more plugs, more elaborate switches. These guys are geniuses and created smart devices marketed to two customer types. Those who want to plug it in, set some simple actions, and forget it. And those who have turned setting up your smart home into a sort of hobby. If you're in the latter group, then you're probably not reading this review and have already bought it. Everyone else should have no problems getting the basic things set up if they've worked with smart devices before.